guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have not yet already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. The link in the description will be down below. So today I went out and I bought another vehicle. As you can tell, I am a Jeep guy. I love Jeeps. I think they're tanks. If you treat them right, you take care of them, they actually run for quite a long time. Even if you beat the shit out of them, actually. Those people that take them in the woods, mud and wheeling, let's just not say those aren't in good condition, I'll tell you that. But they still run great. So I have two Jeeps at home, and I went out and I bought another Jeep. So this Jeep right here is a 2002 Jeep Grand Cherokee. It is fully loaded, actually. It's the limited model. As you can tell, she is crusty, mildew, and definitely rotted. Oh shit! The New England weather did not treat her well. The wheel wells are rotted. The rocker panels are rotted. Coming back here, she's seen better days. If you don't have tetanus, you want to be careful when you're coming near this Jeep, okay? So, actually, if you don't have your tetanus shot, you want to be careful when you're coming near this Jeep. So, she is crusty, she is moldy, she is nasty, and she has a dead battery, as you can tell. We're charging her up right here in the front. But she's got the 4.7 liter V8. It's not the inline 6, so it's not that bulletproof engine that Jeep made. The 4.7s, they've been around for a long time. I haven't had any luck with them. They're always smoking, they're always burning oil, and they're always spinning bearings down at the bottom. But this seems to be running pretty good. So what we're going to be doing on this, it doesn't stop on a dime, I'll tell you that right now. You put the foot down on the pedal, and she don't stop for another, I want to say, 20 feet. She's definitely not something you want to take out driving. So, as usual, when you buy a used car, tires are bald. I mean, it's just what happens when you buy one like this. So, coming on in, what do we got? You remember the miles on this Contour? Because I don't, because the keys are over here and I can't get to it. So, she did run up inspection. She's not inspected anymore. In New England here, we have inspections. So, let's see here. What do we got? I can't remember. Let's see. 135,000 miles. Wow, I thought I was saying 160,000 miles to everybody. That is pretty good. I mean, we got heated seats and power seats and everything. We got a sunroof in here, a garage door opener. I don't know if the sunroof works. I'm not going to test it because if it closes, then I'm screwed. So coming on the back here, we have a bad wheel bearing, axle seal, and everything, you know, to that housing assembly. And the stud is snapped off the wheel bearing, so I'm probably going to have to replace the wheel bearing for sure, because that's just making the tire wobble, even though the axle shaft wheel bearing and the seal is completely shot. It's absolutely horrendous to drive it. I feel scared when I drive it. Alright, so she's got a mean-ass exhaust leak. I think it can fire up on its own right now, so let me take this off and out. And and the hood pistons don't work. So that's always a positive, right? Coming on in here. Alright. We got lights, pedal goes to the floor. Oh yeah. She's a little exhaust leak, that's okay. We're gonna sell her as is. We got lights, service tire pressure system. Perform service. Spare low pressure. Alright, that's all that she's got on here. But no lights on the dash as far as now, but damn, she stinks. Oh my goodness, smells like raw gas in here. That's not good. But coming on the back roof, she's got an exhaust leak, a mean exhaust leak. The whole front end of the vehicle is completely shot, tie rods and all. There's a lot of play. When you're pointing the steering wheel going straight, it doesn't go straight. It actually wanders off to the right and then to the left, whatever it feels like doing that day. But I mean, besides that, I think I make some pretty good profit off this flipping this. I got it for a good deal. I just got to do the plugs. I'll do plugs, oil, air filter. I'll do the rear wheel bearing, the axle seal, and I got to put some gear oil in it because it's leaked. I think it's bone dry in the back because the seal was gone. And then all the tie rods in the front, pads all the way around, rotors all the way around because it's well needed. And I think that's it. What do you think? I'm not going to do an alignment on it. That eats into the profit. Someone else can do that if they're buying it, because if they're just buying it, they can do that. And then the tires, they need tires. But besides that, no engine light on it, which is really good. The battery needs to be charged. It's not dead. I've had it charged before, and it holds the charge, so that's pretty good. and she needs a wash. But besides that, I think she's locked and ready to go. We'll try to do this all in one day. I don't know if that's possible because I don't have a press for the bag, so we're going to have to bring it to a shop. But I'm going to try an old method where you put some ice on, you keep bearing up, and hopefully it slides right on down. A buddy of mine told me that works, but I don't know if it does. But we're going to find out. But guys, stay along for this one. That build is completely done with the truck. Now we're going to be doing this, and then we're looking for another vehicle as well in the meantime. So we'll have 2 vehicles up for sale. That one is up for sale as we speak right now. This one will be up probably by the end of the day, I'm hoping. And there's just gonna be so much more content coming. I got more on my other Jeep, putting on the bumper. I gotta weld on the heavy duty plates. I gotta do the rear bumper. I wanna tint the Jeep windows. The Fusion windows came out actually pretty dang good. I mean, I got a little bit of dirt in the windows, but besides that, it's pretty damn good.
I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle. I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and pissed it away. Fucking okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck here for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Yeah. Rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat from the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole damn week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million motherfuckers that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family, from a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Whole life never when I do nothing, make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. See the sun coming out of that rain. My day really not game. I'ma never slow down. I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage. It's taking over.
So guys, thank you for watching. We're gonna be so much more videos coming. Like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll catch you on the next video.